Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look. If you guys like the makeup, make sure you guys go ahead and keep on watching. Today I'm just going to be doing this pretty sexy look for you guys, and I was going for that like fall type of look, and I'm really loving the look, guys. If you guys like it, make sure you guys comment down below. And also, if you're trying to look forward to the fall and the fall makeup, make sure you guys shoot me a yellow emoji. Like, yeah, I love it. I really love this look, guys. What do you guys think? Like, I was going for that dark orange, that brown, and that yellow. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I really love this look, guys. But let's just get into the video because I think I'm talking too much. Like, what? Come on. Like, I'm talking too much. I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye. We're gonna be using this e.l.f. matte finish. I like this matte finish makeup because it dries up really fast. So we're gonna be using this, and this is how it looks. As you guys know, I like the e.l.f. concealer. I'm just gonna be putting this all over my eyes. I'm gonna be going in and using my wispy brush that I like, and this is the brush that I like to use. It's kind of like fluffy, and I like to use this brush. I'm gonna be using my Jaclyn Hill makeup palette, and then I'm gonna go in and use my Juvia 2 palette, and I'm gonna start off with this. I'm gonna call this a pumpkin color, and I'm just putting it at the top, and I'm just rubbing it in there. I like to start like right here, like in the outer corner of my eye. I usually just pat 2 times out of the whole time that I'm doing the first coat, and I'm gonna go in and use the Juvia 2 palette. I'm gonna go in and use this brown, and I'm just gonna work my way on this side, if you guys can see that. But I'm gonna use another brush. I'm trying to see what brush I want to use. I'm gonna use this spiky brush. Now this is really soft. I like this brush. It gets the job done, and it also cleans the shadow up. It's gonna blend really nice into the eyes, and I really like this so much. See how it's like blending in? And I probably just go back in and use that orange spice, and see how it's like peeking through, showing up pretty. That's what I was going for. And I'm trying to see if I really want to put this yellow on there for like a fall type of look, but I'm not sure about that. I don't know if that's gonna look right, but we're gonna try it out, and then we're gonna put our makeup on, and that's just gonna be that, because I actually think that this is gonna be a really pretty color. I kind of think that it's gonna be cute. We'll see. And I hope you guys cannot hear that lawnmower out there, because they're making too much noise. The lawnmowers always do this every time I turn on the video. I actually like this. So I'm gonna go in and finish over here. I love how spicy it's getting. I'm gonna go in and cut my crease, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna set my eye, and I'm just gonna use this on my cut crease. I'm gonna go in and use this brush right here, and this is one of my Morphe brushes that I love. So I'm just gonna put this up here, and hopefully I didn't mess up. And I'm gonna just drag this down. this point, I don't know where this is going right now. So I'm gonna go back in and use my Juvia's palette, and I'm just gonna start off with this darker color, and I'm just gonna go in and brush this over to the side so it can give it that blend in the eye, and just blend it all out. So what I'm doing is just brushing it into the shadow so they can see through the other dark shadow, if you guys can see that. Hopefully it's turning out right because I'm not sure how it's looking right now. So with the lashes that I have on, I got these at the local beauty supply store. I always literally like throw the package away right when I get in the house and put them on. So I'd be so in a rush to just put these on. I love these. I call these the butterfly lashes because they're like spread out, and I like these. But I'm gonna show you guys the pack when I do get another pack because I really don't know what these called. Kind of look like the mink lashes. But when I get the pack, I want to show you guys the package that it came in. I'm just going to do the rest of my makeup, and I'm going to come back on and show you guys the rest of the look. I'm going to be using my Anastasia foundation, and this is in the color 420C. I'm going to be using the same spongy that I have, and it's already wet. I'm just going to be using one squirt. And I'm just gonna do this. I'll usually just put it all over my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. And this color is a little bit lighter on my skin. My skin actually changes colors all during the season. So you never know what color my skin complexion is because my skin usually like change up so fast. I usually just use my matte foundation, or I probably use my satin finish, but I'm trying to see. This is like a darker color and this is like a lighter color. So I'm gonna go in and use my matte finish, and then I probably don't even use this one. I probably just use my LA Girl Pro Concealer with this. So I'm gonna use this. These are my favorite concealers, guys. Like, I like the one that's where you can like see through the matte type of concealer. I mean, you can like see through the concealer, if you guys get what I mean. Like, I like the one that literally shows up on your skin, if you guys know what I'm talking about. If not, it's okay. So I'm just gonna add some right here on my cheeks and then add some on my nose line. I'm gonna go in and mix this as well so that it can give it that glowy type of look. Lightly just patting this on. And I want it up, like I'm gonna go in and set my face with the translucent powder. And this is the Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with this using the same sponge. And I like to just set like under the bridge of my cheeks, chin, nose line, and then the forehead. I don't use much because this goes a long way, and I really don't want to use much on this. Kind of makes it look like, you know, a clown if you use so much, because this goes a long way, so we're not going to put that much on there. And then I'm going to go in and use my Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in the color 30 medium deep, and I'm gonna go in and use this. While my face is setting, I'm gonna go in and use my NARS bronzer, and this is in the shade Casino, and this is how it looks. I'm gonna go in and pat this on using a really wide brush. I know it's a little dirty, but it's okay, it's getting the job done. I'm just gonna go in and just use this bronzer and just puff it up and give it a little spice in there. And just give it a little pop on the face. And as you guys know, I did not brush the setting powder off yet. So I'm still going in and bronzing my face. And I'm just gonna give it a little spice on the nose line. So I'm gonna go in and use, okay, so I'm gonna go in and use my bronzer, and I'm gonna go in and use this color right here. I don't know what the name is because all of these names are like not something that I talk. But I'm gonna go in and use this orange right here, and I'm gonna go in and use this for my blush. I really want to see how this looks. I'm not gonna put a lot on, but I just wanna just make this pop because I usually don't put blush on. And this is so cute. Like, I tried it on when I didn't have any makeup on. I'm like, I need to put some like blush on. And I think that I like this. I think this pops. Ooh, I like it. I'm done with the look, guys. I was really going for this fall type of look. Hopefully I nailed it, guys. If you guys love this look, make sure you guys comment down below. And if you guys are gonna do this look, make sure you guys comment down below. Give me a yellow heart emoji, guys, because I really love this fall look. I kind of feel like this is like something where I'm in the mood and I'm going to go give me some pumpkins just to put outside my door. What do you guys think? I'm actually feeling the yellow on the eye. What do you guys think? If you guys like it, make sure you guys comment down below, and also make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, guys. I'm really looking forward to doing more beauty tutorials for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys back in another video. Bye.